morning. I'm Ted Inness. This is my son Dylan. We're part of a 4th generation farm here in Galesburg, Illinois. We've been in this vicinity for all those generations. We had one more generation north of here a ways, and then Canada before that. We've farmed corn and soybeans and have a few cows. We've had the Farm Progress Show on our facility here in 1972, and we are listing some of our trucks for sale and just giving you guys a little bit of information.
And I think what everybody wants to know is why we're selling. We're selling, our drivers are getting older and drivers are getting harder to find. So we're looking to move into some automatics and some newer, lower mile trucks.
But most of the time, we're local. The trucks that we're looking at today, they run about a 100-mile radius. Most of the trucks are driver specific. That's a good thing, I think, for purchasers because the trucks don't get driver changes at all times, and it's the same guy day after day. The drivers enjoy that. We like that because we can keep better maintenance records on the trucks.
The Peterbilt we bought in 2016 with just over 1 million miles. We immediately put an overhaul on it, and right now it's got about 60,000 miles on the complete overhaul. When we bought it, it had a tall sleeper. We chopped the sleeper. We put new rubber on it in the last year. Intercooler's new, fifth wheel's new, clutch is new. We spent a lot of time putting chrome, the bumper, fenders, the lower skirts on the cab. And we just kind of spent time playing around with this truck and made it look like it does today.
The truck does have all underlighting on it also. So at nighttime and all the air cleaners light, it's very neat at nighttime and has a real good appearance to it. So, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to call us. The trucks represent themselves real well. This is how the trucks look at all times. So we clean them up a little bit, but you can see 5 of them just come through, and they look exactly the same as these. We run mostly all Cummins engines, and you'll notice on our sale bill that all of our trucks are ISX Cummins. All of them are the same. Most all of them are 10 speeds. Like I say, feel free to call us. Any questions you have.